We already discussed in previous lecture how to formation of covalent bond. This covalent bond formed by mutual sharing of electron between same element or different element. In previous example we discussed about the formation of water molecules, in that hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. In this oxygen having 8 valence electron, it accepts 1 electron from first hydrogen, another one from another hydrogen. There are total 8 valence electron and formation of covalent bond. Same like of example Cl2 molecule. In this Cl2 molecule there are sharing of electron. In chlorine having total 7 valence electron plus another chlorine having 7 valence electron. Atomic number chlorine 17, 2 comma 8 comma 7. 7 is the valence electron. Look this, there are sharing of one electron pair of electron. Suppose it is the first chlorine and another chlorine. There are total 8 valence electron sharing of one electron from another chlorine, and between these two dots to form a single bond. This is known as a covalent bond. This is a covalent bond. There are two similar molecule, same atom to form a bond. This bond is known as a covalent bond. N2 molecule, nitrogen, atomic number 7, its electronic configuration 2 comma 5. 5 is the valence electron. There are first nitrogen having 5 valence electron, second nitrogen also 5 valence electron. In this one, first there are 5 means it required 3 electron to complete the octet. Therefore, it sharing with 3 electron from another nitrogen. First dot and dot to form a single bond, second dot and dot to form a single bond, then it is a double bond, then another dot and dot form triple bond. Then it is a structure of nitrogen, nitrogen triple bond nitrogen. It is an example of covalent bond. There are 2 nitrogen atom and there are nitrogen triple bond nitrogen. When we discuss about the covalent bond, in this covalent bond there are single bond formation takes place, double bond also formation takes place, and triple bond formation takes place. Means multiple bond formation takes place in covalent bond, but in case of ionic bond only it gives single bond. Therefore, no multiple bond possible in ionic compound, but in covalent bond only possible formation of multiple bond. It may be double bond, it may be triple bond, or it may be single bond. In H2 molecule having it is a covalent bond, means hydrogen single bond hydrogen. Now it is a diatomic. Hydrogen atomic number 1 means there are only 1 electron in valence shell. Another also having 1 electron. Then dot and dot to form a single bond. It is a 2 electron in valence, total valence electron, means it is a duplet, means it is a complete, it is a noble gas configuration of helium. Therefore, it is an example of covalent bond. Now it is presence of single bond. Now similar example, we already discussed about the nitrogen triple bond nitrogen. Now we discuss about the O2 formation, oxygen O2. In oxygen having atomic number 8 and its electronic configuration 2 comma 6. 6 is a valence electron of oxygen. Now there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then another oxygen another oxygen which having also 6 valence electron, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Therefore, one oxygen means oxygen having 6 valence electron, it required 2 electron to complete the octet. Therefore, sharing of 2 electron with another oxygen to form a 8 valence electron complete octet, then formation of covalent bond. Formation of covalent bond. This is formation of oxygen double bond oxygen. This is an example of multi bond bond. It is possible in O2 molecule in presence of covalent bond. There are sharing of same element, also it gives double bond in O2. Nitrogen triple bond nitrogen, it is another example of covalent bond. It is already we discussed. Next, NH3 molecule, nitrogen atomic number 7, its electronic configuration 2, 5. 5 means it required 3 electron to complete its 8 electron. Therefore, nitrogen, there are total 3 nitrogen. Each nitrogen give 1 electron. Then it is a complete octet. Now, this is nitrogen atom. Nitrogen having total 5 valence electron. Then plus with hydrogen. Hydrogen give 1 electron. Another hydrogen give 1 electron, and another hydrogen give 1 electron. Total 3 hydrogen. Then sharing with nitrogen. This dot and dot on the form single bond. There are total 3 single bond which is shared by nitrogen with hydrogen. This is the structure of covalent bond. There are 3 single bond and 2 electron are unshared. These 2 electron known as a lone pair of electron. This is known as a lone pair of electron. Nitrogen having ammonia, when nitrogen sharing with hydrogen to form a ammonia, it is an example of covalent bond. Now CH4 molecule, there are different elements, carbon and hydrogen. There are total 8 valence electron and formation of covalent compound. Now carbon it is a central atom, central element. Carbon is central element and 4 hydrogen are peripheral atom. Now carbon atomic number 6, its electronic configuration 2, 4. 4 is the valence electron of carbon. Then this 4 valence electron share with 4 hydrogen atom. In this 4 hydrogen means each hydrogen give 1 electron. Now structure carbon, there are total 4 valence electron, 1 2 3 4. This is 4, and hydrogen give 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron and 4 electron. 4 dot plus 4 dot, total 8 valence electron. This is the structure of CH4 molecule. There are total 4 sigma bond form, carbon with hydrogen, carbon with hydrogen, carbon with hydrogen, carbon with hydrogen. This is a tetrahedral structure. There are total 4 hydrogen attached at the 4 corner. Therefore, it is known as a tetrahedral geometry. In this CH4 molecule, it is example of covalent compound or covalent bond. Another similar kind of example, carbon tetrachloride. In this carbon tetrachloride, carbon it is a non-metal and chlorine also non-metal. Then 2 non-metal form a covalent bond. We already discussed about the iodic bond. Iodic bond formed by metal with non-metal. There are large electronegativity difference, but in this carbon tetrachloride both are non-metals. They are sharing of electron and total 8 valence electron present. Therefore, it is example of covalent bond. Look here, this is a carbon. It is in central element, and 4 chlorine are peripheral atom. Total 4 plus 4, total 8 valence electron, and formation of 4 single bond. This is a 4 single bond. It is known as a covalent bond. The carbon tetrachloride, it is another example, same kind of methane molecule CH4, same only hydrogen replaced by Cl, then it is known as a carbon tetrachloride. It is another example of covalent bond. We are now discuss all the example. There are so many example of covalent bond, but now we discuss the property of covalent bond on next lecture.